Business owners, are you trying to increase profits in your business with less stress? Then why are you doing your own bookkeeping? Even QuickBooks says itself that the average business owner spends between 10 and 15 hours a week doing those bookkeeping. Well, guess what? Those 15 hours a week, you can now be spending that time finding new clients to start growing your business. Or maybe work on ideas to take your business to the next level. Did you know that 55% of business owners could fail due to stress? So why don't you take that same time and go out and work with your family? Now, how can this happen? Is because when you hire a bookkeeper, you see they're going to make sure that you're going to have more time to work on your business. They're going to make sure that you're going to have less stress because now you're going to have nothing to worry about it. And they'll make sure that all the forms and everything is correct. So now you can do some things with your financials, such as maybe getting a better tax return because now you know what you deposit and all your expenses. Or just maybe you now know the health of your business. Because when a bookkeeper does the books for you, they're going to give you what's called an income statement. And that's going to show you the health of your business because it's now going to show you how much you deposited and what are your expenses. And now you can look at your bottom line to see what you need to do in your business. You got questions and you need to take your business to the next level with your bookkeeping. So please click the link below for a free consultation. My name is Albert Corey with Coin Associates Accounting Advisors. We've been assisting our clients for almost 40 years to increase their profits with less stress and capital. We worked with everything from kid actors to truck drivers and everything between with clients in all 50 states. So why don't you click the link and follow the scan code to better call Albert to book your free 15-minute consultation or click the link below. Thank you.